Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Channels appear in the Teams pane under their associated team, indented and in alphabetical order. While you can reorder teams in the list, you cannot reorder channels. As your channel list grows, you can hide channels no longer relevant or active, rename channels, and delete channels. The exception is the default general channel, which you can't change. You can also pin channels to the top of the list for quick and easy access. To get started doing any of these, click the Teams button in the app bar, and then click the More Options ellipsis to the right of the channel to change. To rename the channel, select Edit this channel from the menu. Then make the desired change in the channel name field, and click the Save button. To delete the channel and all its contents, select Delete this channel from the menu, and then click the Delete button to confirm. To hide a channel from the channel list and keep its contents, select Hide from the menu. Hidden channels are then grouped under a single link at the bottom of the channels list, showing the number of hidden channels it contains. To unhide a channel, click the Hidden Channels link, hover over the name of the channel to show, and then click the Show command. To pin a channel to the top of the Teams pane to make it easily and quickly accessible, select Pin from the More Options menu. The channel is still visible beneath its team. Pinning simply provides an additional link to the same channel. To remove a channel from the pinned list, click the More Options ellipsis next to the channel, and then select the Unpin command from the menu.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.